Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can delete your curated video in Pixverse.ai. So it's very easy and it's very simple. First of all, we have to log into your account, and after logging in your account, now click on the create option. You can see in the left side and click on the video. After clicking on the video, you will get to see your created video. So from here you can see this garbage option. Click on that. Now here the option pop up, the are you sure to delete this file? Just simply click on that. This option, now the video will get deleted. Just refresh it. Now here you can see the video not found. It means the video has been deleted. So if this video you found helpful, then like subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.